absolutely love this recipe, says All Recipes member Kathy Rain about these pumpkin muffins. She says the muffins had her taste buds dancing and adds that she uses this recipe over and over again. Thanks to All Recipes member Julie for sharing this recipe. We'll get started by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Next, either grease 12 muffin cups or you can line them with paper muffin liners. Split one small sugar pumpkin in half and remove the strings and seeds. Line a cookie sheet with aluminum foil and lightly oil it. Place the pumpkin halves cut side down cover the halves with foil and bake the pumpkin for about 90 minutes or until it's tender. Transfer the baking sheet to a cooling rack, leaving the oven on. Once the pumpkin is cool enough to handle, remove the pumpkin pulp from the skin and place it in a food processor or blender. Puree the pulp until it's smooth. Measure 2 cups of puree and set it aside. Reserve any leftover puree for another use. Several All Recipes members note that they have had successful results with canned pumpkin puree, so if you're short on time or if pumpkins are out of season, it's fine to use the canned puree. Now add 3 cups of flour into a large bowl. Add 2 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of ground cloves, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of ground allspice, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir these dry ingredients together to combine them well. Now, let's add the pumpkin to a bowl. Along with 2/3 of a cup of vegetable oil and 3 eggs. Beat the mixture together well. Next, stir it into the dry ingredients until a smooth batter forms. Spoon the batter into the muffin cups. Bake them in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. To check the muffins for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of a muffin. If it comes out clean, the muffins are done. Pumpkin muffins made with roasted fresh sugar pumpkin puree is the perfect celebration for the harvest season.